Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to summarize PDF with ChatGPT. So right now you can see I don't have paid version which is ChatGPT 4. I have only ChatGPT 3.5, right? So in ChatGPT 3.5 you don't have any option to upload a PDF or an image, right? So I have found a solution for this. If you have a ChatGPT 4, then it's easy because here you will get an option to upload a PDF. If you don't have a ChatGPT 4, then this is a website which is called chat pdf, right? And this is based on ChatGPT. This use a api of ChatGPT, right? But yeah, you can use this option and I've used this a lot and this worked perfectly fine for me. So I will just upload a PDF here. For example, let's say just I uploaded a PDF, right? And it will take a very few seconds and it will analyze, and here you can see that it will start writing everything regarding the PDF. On the left side it shows what the PDF is, and on the right side it just you can just ask question by using the PDF, right? So whatever the question I ask from the PDF which is related to PDF, right, it is going to give me the answer. So this is pretty easy, and if you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to channel. By the way, you can also download it from here. You can export this chat, you can just edit or rename, and you can just have a separate section just like chat gpt, right? You can just click on new chat and have a different PDFs here. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, subscribe and like this video.